In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a branch buttonhole stitch bar or bridge. It is one of the popular bridges in Irish lace, guipure lace, and Romanian point lace. For demonstration, I pinned 2 Romanian point lace cords on a mat, and now in between these cords, I'll be doing a branch buttonhole bridge. Work with thread and a tapestry needle. To begin, pass the thread through the cord to the stitch that you're going to start from. Then, to make a foundation for the bridge, with the needle go through the side stitch of one cord, and then through the side stitch of the other opposite cord. Continue working back and forth through the same stitches until you have 3 foundation threads. This is the second one and the last time. And 3. The foundation made of 3 threads is ready. Now on the way back, I'll be working buttonhole stitches, rubbing all of these foundation threads. Keep your stitches tight and push them up to each other as you rub so they are even and will cover the foundation. Let's do one more. And here at this point, I'll begin the next branch. You can begin it at any point you wish. So to make the foundation for the second branch, with the needle go through the side stitch of the lower cord. You can pick any stitch that works for you. The first foundation thread is made. Now insert the needle into the space between the last and the previous buttonhole stitches that were made before around the first foundation and go through. As you can see, now we have 2 foundation threads of the second branch. Before we make the third one, let's fix this part with a pin so then we can pull the thread without deforming the whole piece. We need to make the foundation with the right tension. Then with the needle go through the same stitch of the lower cord. The foundation for the second branch is made. Now on the way up, work buttonhole stitches around this new foundation. Keep working till you've reached the middle of this second branch. I've completed half of this second branch. Let me pin it to the mat. And now at this point, I'm going to begin the third branch of my buttonhole bridge. Again, first make a foundation. For this, go through a side stitch of the top cord. You can choose any stitch you want. This is going to be the first foundation thread for the third branch. We need to make 2 more. Now go back between the previous buttonhole stitches of the second branch. And then again through the same stitch of the cord. Now the foundation for the third branch is made. It consists of 3 threads as well. Now on the way back, work the buttonhole stitch bridge as normal. Keep working. Once you're done with the third branch, insert the needle in between the last 2 stitches of the second branch. Here it is. And work a buttonhole stitch. Make it tight. Then pass the thread underneath the third branch. And now continue working around the foundation of the second branch. Work until you've completed it. Work buttonhole stitches. Keep stitches tight and push each next stitch closer to the previous one to cover up the foundation. Work all the way till the end of this branch. Here I reached the first branch of my bridge. Now to continue and complete the first branch, insert the needle into the space between its last and previous stitches and go through. And now you can continue working buttonhole stitches around the foundation of the first branch. Keep working till the end, going all the way down. Then to finish the bridge, secure the thread through the cord. This branched buttonhole stitch bar or bridge can have as many sections or branches as you decide to make. It is widely used in lace work to bridge a space between the cords or motifs. Thank you so much for watching.